What's up everybody? At maglalaro ulit tayo ng Slenderman story, which is this is hindi ko po alam. Very nakakatakot na storya. For me lang, not for you. Tara. Sakay na guys! Ay, wala nang oras. Okay. Kagi isa. Kasi nag-live sila. May isa lang ba ako? Tatlo kami. Hinabahan ako nun. Kasi it's not acting maglilib sila. Oh my gosh. Apat kami! Gigil ako eh. Apat kami. Ayoko mabili. Muling desisyon to. Ay, hala, walang ganon. Okay, balan na kayo kung desisyon. Bala kayo dyan. 2. Yan. Good choice. Good choice! Wala, nag-leave yung isa. 3 na lang. Ante ko. Move object around you to reach them. Okay lang kami. I will do this for you guys. Kasi sobrang nakakatakot. Ay, nakakatakot. Good job. Slide up. Okay po. Hello? Nice. We need a way out. Huwag po kayo mag-jump scare. Everything seems to be locked. Check upstairs. Saan? Ay, nagalit si Anne. Kung samahan ko yung sasamahan. Ay, sige. Lima. Kalau kita. Sabi na open window. Escape! Na! Aray ko po. He's coming. Go hide. Lima. Oh, wait. Please come out. You need to escape with your hands back. Nag-whisper pa ko. Whisper. Don't use the trap when he will hit. Initial completed. Go back there. Great. Break the doors, unlock it. Escape. Tara. Saan yung bisan? Bala kayo sa dami. Nakakatakot. I'll give you a second chance, but it will be your last. Don't die again. Next revival, not free. Okay, walang pake. Ay. Wait lang yung lalaki. Kasi... everyone is Mima. Hey! Stop right there. This is a restricted area. Sorry po, kuya. Please let us stay. You're barely made here. Escaping Slenderman. Staying here is dangerous. We need to unlock this door. Yun na naman. To achieve that, we'll need to find all the batteries for the generator. Aray ko. Now, when the lights flicker, you have to hide. Aray ko. If you don't hide, you'll die. Mama, ayoko. Good B, sama ako sa'yo, B. Pwede ko sama, B. B! Kaya ako yan, B. Sige, taguan ko yun. Tara na. Nakakatakot. Nakakatakot po. Ito, nakakatakot. Ayoko na, di ko kaya. Lang, maglalag. Oh my god. Huh? Seems like you didn't learn from your last mistake. This is your last time. I warn you. Wait lang, di ko kasi gets. Come on, I'm believing you. Believing you, Sajas. Yes, you can. Namatay! Kumagawa lang dito si Opaw. Si Opaw yan. Ako pa talaga nun. Okay, we can do it. Diba naglalag ako? Tapos, di naman na yung pagtakbo. Grabe. You Upstairs pa pala eh. Still applying to go. Hello? Sorry kung naglalag. Like, oh my gosh, I'm lagging. Still applying. Okay, thank you. Shucks! Lalag siya. Auntie, huwag kang mag-leave. Naglalaha! Sorry. You better hide this. Ano lang tayo sa kanya? Sorry. Wait, hindi ba siya? Hindi ba? Spectate tayo. Oh, sorry. Kasi naglalag. Akala ko siya yung naglalag. Ako pala. Yun. Ano yun? Oh my... Oh, kakatakot. Sobrang nakakatakot. Hello? Game pause pa daw. Inano niya ako, sinave niya nga sa jumpscare, pero too late. Oh my gosh. Na, yung ano niya, yung like, hindi ko ma-explain. Wait lang. Na-game pause talaga siya. Oh my gosh. Ha? Uy, pa rin yun? Babae, si baby. Okay. Tatagal pa itong game pause na to. Nakakatakot. Kaya nyo laruin kung kaya nyo. So, yeah, that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking video. So, yun lang. Bye-bye! Laruin nyo to. Sobrang nakakatakot ka eh. Okay, bye-bye!